Welcome to Freshsales, the AI-powered CRM that enables your sales teams to grow their pipeline, boost conversions, pump up productivity, and banish busy work. It's easy to use and scalable. Let's look at some key features. Understand customers and engage with context. Unlock the potential of your leads using Freddy AI's intent scores. Understand customers better, interact with them on their preferred channels, and engage with context. With the 360 customer profile, your teams have access to vital background information, including contact details, conversations, linked deals and activities, notes, tasks, and meetings all in one view. With email, phone, and SMS built in, you can engage customers right from within Freshsales without switching tabs. Freshsales also helps your team prospect better and build a strong pipeline. With Freddy AI as your assistant, you can segment and run smart sales campaigns to generate more leads, then capture, qualify, route, and track them. Meet customers on the channel of their choice. Meet customers where they are using the built-in chat widget for your website or social profiles. Organize and streamline the sales pipeline. Plan, configure, and control your entire sales process with custom views and filters. Dive into your day with key details ready to go, with no time wasted getting organized. Choose different contacts and perform efficiency-boosting bulk actions like sending emails, updating fields, or building a sequence all at once. With Kanban view, simply drag and drop contacts across stages, or create workflows to automatically update stages. Start with a workflow template, or customize one to suit your sales process. Track your deals across the sales lifecycle. Streamline processes, set up deals, and score that quarterly bonus with timely insights on the visual sales pipeline. Freddy Insights gives you real-time recommendations on closing deals and suggests the best way to move forward. Avoid bottlenecks, plan accurately, and commit to hitting your numbers with confidence. When it's time to close the deal, create and send documents like quotes and proposals with built-in CPQ. Measure progress and drive decisions with comprehensive reporting. Reports and dashboards help measure your sales and team performance, track your pipeline by owner, see deals created and closed over time, and pinpoint why deals were lost. Customize Freshsales to cater to your unique needs. You can set up Freshsales to suit your sales process by adding custom fields or multiple pipelines, and by integrating the CRM with your business apps on our marketplace. Experience everything sales powered by AI. Start to finish, Freddy AI has your back. It makes your work smarter and easier and works round the clock, highlighting the best leads, providing valuable insights, and helping you drive revenue. With Freddy AI, you'll always be a step ahead and fit all of your customer data in the palm of your hand with the Freshsales app. Schedule meetings, stay connected, and grow your business while you're on the go. With AI-powered Freshsales CRM, your teams have everything they need to sell smarter, close more deals faster, and deliver amazing customer experiences. Ready to ramp up your revenue? Unify sales and marketing with the Freshsales suite. Nurture relationships, drive revenue, and close deals faster with a unified 360-degree view of the customer. Start your free trial or schedule a demo today.